What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna be trying out the McChicken sandwich and the hot and spicy McChicken sandwich, and they're $2 each. I don't know if they're having like a deal or something, but all the chicken sandwiches are now $2. Kind of crazy. It's not $1 like how it used to be when I was younger, but I'd rather pay $2 than $4. The lady in front of me ordered 10 of these and 10 of the regular chicken sandwiches, and it made me curious as to why she would do that when they cost $4 each, unless she's rich or something. Anyway, there's the spicy chicken sandwich. Let's take a bite. Now I added ketchup, so let's give it a bite. A nice Coca-Cola for this kind of hot day. Regular chicken sandwich without ketchup. I added some ketchup, and also I have to be honest, I think I like this one better than the spicy one. It just has that classic taste that I'm used to when I was younger. Maybe that's why I like it more, at least. Some fries. All right, guys. Well, I gotta get back to work. My lunch is almost over. It's Friday Eve. I'm just super excited that tomorrow's Friday. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Peace.